Well, are you looking for a park model, an upscale park model? Still got the travel tape on the front. This is a Sierra 401 FLX. One of my favorite park models. Dave's going to take you in for a look.
Lots of windows on this side, Daryl. It's going to be a nice one. Here we have no carpet in the bedroom to start with. King bed. Lots of space here. Lots of storage in the bedroom. Great height. Doesn't feel enclosed at all. Here we go up the hallway. Wow. From back to front on this one. Great quality appliances. And look at that stove. You don't come with stoves like that much. Here we go.
Stainless steel sink, Dave.
Yep. Yeah, a lot of stainless steel in this unit. Here we are from the front of the unit to the back. Nice lazy boys. Looks like nice soft leather. Here we are. Let's look at the bathroom here. Let's see, a porcelain toilet and lots of space. Great size shower. Come see this unit here at Pine Acres RV, Stewiacke, Nova Scotia.
Exit 11. Come see us.